This is the only sport where you can kill a man and get paid for it at the same time. It's legal. So why not use my right to do so?
Alright, so boom, 2024 is underway and y'all were begging for me to bring back the documentary knockout compilation. So let's cover Deontay Wilder's knockouts for his entire career. Big shout out to Sport Channel and the rest of the souls Deontay Wilder's taken during his career.
It's time!
Lord have mercy, somewhere I heard you are what you eat. Man should have never ate no nerds rope, cause now he look like he part of the equipment. Man's his casket ready. Homie been laying there for 20 minutes. The overhand right hit this man like tax evasion did Al Capone. Had his hands up pointed towards the heavens like he had a $16 prostitute with too much ass to handle. Mouthpiece got buried so far into his neck, the referee's fingers had to be deep-throated in order to save him.
Pull over.
Deontay Wilder's reach should be illegal. He had mans doing somersaults in the ring.
Come here.
Two-piece brought him down to his knees like he was thanking the Lord for a meal.
What are you gonna do now?
Don't do it.
Help me! Help me!
Body blow.
Medical team said he almost vomited his kidney. Deontay Wilder boxed like a dude who gets lucky, but you never want to fight.
What the fuck are we gonna do now?
Left-right combination hit the pause button on the remote. Look at his body. Had him looking like he was about to hit the nastiest stanky leg of all time. He studied tape for 3 months, ducked the right hand, only to get caught by an unsuspecting left. Realignment of the C1. He's now on the spectrum.
There's more.
Return right hand. Got him looking like a fainting Pokemon.
As you can see, I am not dead.
Took offense to that.
Finish him!
Right hand had that man looking like he was in a skiing accident. Turned his own foot into a personal butt plug. Look how Wilder caressed his nipple before the right hand. That's a real sexual assault. He trying to process how he just been violated. Left himself wide open for the right hand again. Now he on a fast track to the shadow realm, but not before his own foot went up his own ass with no lubricant.
My butthole can't shake that abuse.
Falcon punch!
Laid mans down like a deceased extra on an action film. Had him frozen in time like a New York bestseller book. Did it look like he hit him in the back of the head? Absolutely, but this dude can't tell the difference now. Turned him into a snail with no shell. Macargo no more. At this point, Deontay Wilder should have billed himself from Dubai the way he got people getting on their knees. Had this dude ready to quit before the fight was even over.
I don't want it. No, please. No more. I don't want it.
And now a word from our sponsors.
Wait a minute! For those of you who have struggled to get approved for virtually anything under the sun due to bad credit, please do not let this be another year, because I've got a solution to kick things into high gear. Success is not far, oh, it's near, because Takeoff Financial is here. Takeoff Financial provides a complete done-for-you credit restoration process that's specifically designed to transform your poor personal credit into an excellent credit report that'll make you irresistible when it comes to getting approved for a dream house, a car, personal loan, or getting funding to launch your business. And I know what you're thinking. It's such an arduous, strenuous, tedious, monotonous process to get all these negative items removed off your credit report. But you don't have to worry about that anymore. Within Takeoff Financial's program, you won't have to send out countless letters. You won't have to get on the phone with credit bureaus for hours each day. And you won't even have to fax over documents to the agencies in order to get results. And if by some miracle Takeoff Financial is unable to remove negative items from your credit report after 6 rounds with them, they offer a money-back guarantee. Takeoff Financial has a dedicated staff that takes care of everything required to get your credit report clean without you having to lift a single finger. But hey, you don't gotta take it from me. Takeoff Financial's got 60+ 5-star reviews on Google where the client's experiences speak for themselves. Not only does Takeoff Financial help clean your credit report of negative items like collections and late payments that would normally stay on your credit report for nearly a decade, but in the process, you'll receive a dedicated team assigned to you to get you to the 700 plus credit score club. So what are you waiting for when credit restoration is waiting for you? Do yourself a favor right now and book your free call with Takeoff Financial by clicking the special link in my description, filling out their consultation form, which takes less than 2 minutes to complete. That's shorter than a commercial. You'll instantly receive an email to schedule your free call with Takeoff Financial. Make sure you let them know I sent you.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
I ain't touch that bitch, nigga, I'll kill you!
If this isn't a face of a man filled with regret and bad decisions, I don't know what is. He hit that man so hard, had him sleeping longer than a CVS receipt. Even the CSC event staff felt the soul leave his body. This man was feeling so confident he wanted to wiggle his shoulders just to get put into the shadow realm.
Now you see now, you done fucked up, you know that, don't you?
Daddy, chill.
You lack of discipline. I go kill him. It's all over!
He about to hit the wrong button. Christmas was over a week ago, but he had this man spinning like a dreidel. Perfect product placement for Corona, because he's driving intoxicated into the afterlife.
Shutting down.
Factory reset that boy. Look at his body. Look at his right arm, preparing for the backstroke in the 2028 Olympics. Man's been a problem his entire career. Look what he did to this man. He twitching on the ground. Not only did he knock him out, it looked like he might have dislocated that man's arm. Look at him reaching for his elbow. He knocked the guard button off this brother's controller. Revoked his membership to the cookout. You don't get to go to Big Mama house no more.
Punch him again!
Hands up to touch Jesus.
Jesus Christ.
He got hit with the strength of a 9.1 earthquake plus the aftershock. Look at his reaction after he caught the right hand. It's as if his body didn't compute what just happened. Attempted to take a step only to find out the brain no longer works, like a headless chicken.
Die!
Dude ain't stand a chance from the beginning. Put him in the fetal position. Remember what he did to Ortiz?
He got trouble!
Had that man looking crazy in there. King Kong thought he was on top of the world only to run into Godzilla. Look at his body language. Had him in retreat like Stephen A. Smith's hairline. Put him in the ICU. And then he fought him again.
Don't do it.
Took the front row to a new viewing of Hairspray. Look how much water left this man's head. He thought a rematch was a good idea. Now he laying there on the ground like an unworn sandal. Look at the referee face. Even he knew he was heading to the shadow realm. This why I'm not in blood sport, because it's one thing to get knocked out. It's another to be laid out and you can hear the cameras clicking right next to your ear. Deontay Wilder's known for fighting for his people, but he beat Gerald Washington like he was the right-hand man to Harriet Tubman and forgot what day they was leaving the plantation. No doubt in my mind he was button mashing on that evening. But he already had the victory secured. Could have just left him on the rope, but said, I want to take his soul. He was beating this dude so bad he did a cannonball in the ring. Where the hell was he going? Three-piece had this man thinking it was summertime.
Come here.
Looking like a shark in a pool of feminist free bleeding. This man came here to eat. The right hand gave that man convenient parking for the rest of his life. Hand him the handicap sign.
Have you ever had a dream?
Two-piece made this man find the escape rope. He looked like Rey Mysterio who ain't make it. He got stuck doing the 619. Look what the right hand did to him. How you get hit into doing a trust fall? That don't even make sense. His body went the opposite direction from where he got punched. He took a right hand and fell to his left. I'd rather get shot at than try to defend myself when this man got me backed up in the corner. You would have thought Deontay Wilder had 100 different hands. Sports Science has to do a piece on how hard this dude hits. The first left hand had this man calling for his ancestors. Then Wilder just started throwing everything in his arm.
I cannot believe it!
Oh no! Let's look at the right hand. Snorlax, quick, TM44. I never knew rest could be super effective. He hit Bazile so hard he went to California and never came back. How you get deported within your own country? But there wasn't a single knockout worse than what he did to Stavern.
You're done. Finish him.
Do you want to continue or not?
That nigga is dead!
Severn tried to suck Wilder's nipple in order to come back to life, but Deontay don't lactate. Look how he left this man, like he had a skateboard accident. Shins all over the ground. How you get knocked down 3 times in the first round? You would have thought he was playing on rookie settings.
Falcon punch!
Somebody gets Severn to a medic. He gon' need it. Somebody please. Call the goddamn EMT.
Snake, are you okay? Snake? Snake! You got knocked the fuck out! Get this man to a hospital, now!
Welcome to your first day in the afterlife.
Hey, would you trade $10 to learn how to break into YouTube? I just dropped my very first ebook, Commit to the Commitment of Consistency, How to Create a Profitable YouTube Channel, with the very same tools and framework that I used to build my YouTube channel over the course of the past 8 years, from 0 to over 720,000 plus subscribers. So click the link in my description, go to ChiseledAdonisShop.com and grab your ebook today. $10 to create a platform that you can use for the remainder of your life. What are you waiting for? You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button and become a member on Patreon or on YouTube to get access to the Discord. We're waiting for you in the Shadow Realm.
Just do it! Make your dreams come true!
Please! Please!
What are you waiting for, huh?
Oh my god.